Welcome back to the Oil and Gas Expert. In today's quick video, we are diving into the first major sector of the oil and gas industry, the upstream sector. So, what is the upstream sector? In simple terms, it's all about finding oil and gas and getting out of the ground. Exploration, drilling, and production. The upstream sector includes three key activities: exploration, using geology, geophysics, and seismic surveys to locate underground oil and gas reserves. Drilling, creating wells to reach those reserves. Production, extracting crude oil and natural gas and bringing into the surface. Companies in this sector are called A&IP companies, short for exploration and production companies. Some big players like think ExxonMobil, Chevron, BP, and Total Energies. And upstream operations are risky, capital intensive, and highly technical, but they are also the starting point of the entire oil and gas value chain. Want to learn more about oil and gas engineering? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.